So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can post multiple photos on Instagram story in 2025 and even in 2026, as you know that New Year is about to come. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram account, and after that you have to tap on this plus button available at the top left corner of the screen and your camera will be opened. Now from here you can either capture a photo or upload something from the gallery. For example, if I open up my gallery from here and select the first photo, and now I want to add multiple photos. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on this icon which is available next to these three dots available at the top right. So it will give you an option to draw. And for example, if I want a blue background of my photos, then I have to select the blue color and tap and hold on the screen and my whole screen will be turned to blue. Now how will I add more photos? Tap on done button for that, and here you get an option of stickers next to the option text. So tap on stickers, and here in the second line the first option is photo. As soon as you tap on it, your gallery will be opened. From here you can select as many photos as you want to add into your story. For example, I selected the first photo and will adjust it, go into stickers again and select the second photo, and that's how you add your multiple photos. And simply go to the next button and now you can share it to your Instagram story. So that's how you post multiple photos on Instagram story. Thank you so much.